If you are not following this method in cooking your egusi soup, sis, you're on a wrong run. So if you want to know how I made this delicious egusi soup, you know that aroma that comes with egusi after cooking your egusi soup. Like me, I don't like it. If you don't like it and you want your egusi to taste differently, stick to this video. Let me show you how I made this wonderful egusi soup. Put an empty pan on fire and add in your egusi. Keep on turning it. Don't leave it at any point because it's going to burn. Once you hear the egusi popping like this, once you hear it popping, you know that the egusi is done. Do not allow the egusi to stay on fire too much. Make sure that when you hear it popping, you take that off it and put it in a tray. The reason you are putting it in a tray because if you leave it in the pan, it's still going to be, burning and also frying. So as well, take away those brown ones inside of it. Before you start blending, blend that to be smooth. And at some point, you have to add your uziza seed in blending. So I put my well-washed meat on fire. I'm using shaki, cow foot, and beef. I added in my maggi, added in my onions. I give that a quick stir and allow to cook. Now it's cooked, so I added in my oil, follow in with crayfish and Cameroon pepper. So I molded the egusi. I use hot water to mold egusi into balls. So I start putting them and cover it. So I check in the egusi again. Now it's almost cooked. I added in my smoked tilapia fish. This is my uziza leaf. I added in uziza leaf as well. I didn't put too much water in this egusi because I didn't put any ogbono or thickener. I'm just using egusi. And what I use in this egusi is baby spinach. I added in my baby spinach. So there's no point to cutting baby spinach or adding too much water in your egusi when you know that you are going to put spinach as vegetable. And you know that spinach has water as well. If you add plenty water, it's going to spoil your food. So hope you've if you've watched this video up to this extent, please kindly click the subscribing button. And I bet you if you should cook your egusi like this, my dear, you will love it. Like igata biaka. Just try and make your egusi like this. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now.
Понятно.